Hey guys, welcome back to the Kinwoven Home. I'm Sharrah, and today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm officially 4.5 weeks from giving birth. I mean, it could happen sooner, it could happen later, who knows? But I thought it'd be fun today to kind of come into the nursery, show you guys our crib and our new mattress and some of my favorite baby products that I'm loving right now, and give you an update on what's happening in the nursery. Is it done? Is it gonna be fabulous? What are we gonna do in here? I'm gonna tell you, give you a little peek into our plans, and just like talk baby stuff, because Sawyer's gonna be here so soon. Thank you so much to Newton Mattress for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna show you guys why I love this mattress. You may have heard of it before, and it's actually incredibly cool. I'll tell you about it later. I have an awesome link down below. You guys can click it, head over to their website. You get $50 off and free shipping if you use that link. And if you do not like the mattress for some crazy reason, you have 100 nights to sleep on it, you could still return it. But first, if you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to follow on Instagram, because we do a lot of really awesome things over there. And then the question of the video today, what was the first baby product that you bought for your own child, someone else's child, like your go-to favorite baby product? Leave it in the comments below. Let's get started. Okay, so for the nursery little tour, I will give you an update. It is not done. It is far from done, and that's mostly because all the furniture that I ordered like 3.5 months ago has been back ordered because 2020, right? But that's okay. Everything's supposed to get here the week that Sawyer is due, so we are gonna hope for early delivery. But the most important thing that I need, I have. My crib and my mattress. But I wanted to show you guys kind of my plan for the nursery, take you around and show you, and if you can envision, put your envisioning cap on, and then I'll do an actual nursery reveal probably after he's here when everything is done. So when we first bought this house and I walked into this room, I knew that I wanted it to be the nursery because the symmetry in this space is just so incredible. It has a perfect size wall for the crib to fit. I have a lovely portrait of my dog above the crib that is not staying, but for now, I thought it was kind of cute. And I loved that I could fit a new light fixture up here. This came from our old house. This was outside on our patio. And I think it looks pretty cute in here. And Tyler just barely clears it. So we have the 2 windows on either side of the crib, and I have right now, I'm actually gonna get some new curtain rods. These curtain rods came in the move, but you'll notice the end finials are missing. I can't find them, so I ordered new curtain rods. Those are coming. Curtains are great. I got them, I think, on Amazon, so oh no, I got these at Target, but I also found similar on Amazon. The biggest thing I'm excited about is behind me, I'm gonna put wallpaper on this wall. I have not found the exact wallpaper yet. If you guys remember, I did wallpaper at my friend Ashley's nursery. So I'm gonna take you guys on a quick little tour around this tiny room, show you what I got, and then we'll visualize together. Let's start over in this corner, over here. We do have a rug in here right now. It's not staying. I have a new rug coming. It's too small, this one is. But the floors up here are so beautiful. I just love them so much. And it kind of hurts to put a rug down because you cover it up, but I want it to feel cozy in here. So we're gonna do a rug. Over here, we're gonna do a changing table. I'll probably put a mirror, maybe a shelf, have some storage. I'm gonna do some sort of artwork and or something on the wall, some sort of beautiful accessory. He has 2 closets, fabulous. It actually goes really long that way and that way, so I put all of his like older clothes that we have, or like spring clothes over on that side. And there's shelves on this side, so I have great storage. And then as we turn this corner, oh Scout, are you showing off where our little rocker's gonna go? We have a chair here for now, but we smell like Fritos. We need to work on that. So over here, I'm gonna put the rocking chair. It's white. I know y'all are gonna think I'm crazy, but it is a fabric that cleans easy. It's like not pure white, it's like a cream. I'm crazy, I know, but it's gonna look great. And then over here, I have these really cool bookshelves that I'm either gonna put behind the rocking chair for story time, or on this side, I gotta cover that hole up on the wall. I don't know what that's from. And then he has his lovely other closet. Because I don't have my dresser, I organized all of his clothes by size and I put them in bins. These bins I'm eventually gonna put away in the dresser, so they're not gonna stay up here, but I love that I have storage up here. Oh, and do you guys wanna see the color palette? So I'm really going with earth tones up here and maybe a pop of light blue here and there. We're leaning into the greens, I'm leaning into the caramel color and a little bit of rust and a lot of natural wood. This is our crib. I love it because it's a transitional crib. So I think it's called the Wave. It goes from being a full-size crib, it shrinks down to being a little bassinet. It's on wheels, so I can roll it around the house in bassinet form if I want to downstairs. I think we'll start him off in the bassinet size down in our bedroom. Once he's sleeping through the night and we feel good about it, we'll move him into his bedroom in his full crib. It actually expands further to a toddler-sized bed, which is really cool. The mattress is like a godsend. When your baby's sleeping, you have all kinds of fears of suffocation or them not being able to breathe if they roll over. And this mattress is just so amazing. It totally calms any of those fears because it is a breathable mattress. This mattress reduces the risk of suffocation and it reduces the accumulation of mold or moisture. Breathability is really no joke, and they have this thing called the Breathe Through technology. I'm gonna get Tyler up here to demonstrate because my makeup on baby's new mattress just would not be a good thing. You know what I mean? Tyler! So I need you to literally smush your face up against the mattress and take a deep breath. Is it breathable?
Totally.
It is?
Yeah.
I kinda wanna try it, but I'll get lipstick on it.
Yeah, I can totally breathe.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so cool. The other really cool thing, it is made from a food grade polymer. So there's no foam, there's no latex, there's no adhesives in this. It is the only mattress, baby mattress, crib mattress on the market that is completely washable. The cover here can go straight into the washing machine, and then you can wash the mattress part in the shower or the tub or what have you. So I'm gonna put the link below if you guys wanna check out the Newton mattress. I highly recommend it. How about I show you some other products that I'm loving? First thing are these gather mats. I love them because they're great for playtime. They have them in all different kinds of colors. I'm pretty sure this is like the caramel or the sand or something. I also got this one. It's a little ABC pattern. You can hang these ones on the wall. They have like these little hooks. I know that babies need color, and I'm gonna give him all the color in his color palette. But I'm staying away from like the Fisher-Price super crazy products for now. There might be a day where I just can't avoid it. You bet I'm gonna try to find some really cute Scandinavian decor and activities, and I'm gonna prove you, all y'all haters or people who think that it can't be done, I'm gonna show you some really cute stuff. The next product that I'm so excited about is this adorable Moses basket. I got this from Snuggle Me Organic, and I found this online somewhere, which is a rocker that holds the Snuggle Me Organic basket. But this is not what he'll sleep in overnight at all. He'll be in his crib with his Newton mattress. This is just like if I wanna put him down. It just looks really cute downstairs in the living room, and I'm really excited about it. Like I said, I am embracing some color, but in a, hey, stop. In a very aesthetically pleasing way. This is called the Love Every playmat, and Scout is a huge fan, mostly this part. But what I love about it is it comes with a lot of different attachments. You've got a lot of these wood kind of neutral clappers, which are really good for dogs and for babies. My friend got me one of these and I love it. I think it has so many different colors, but it still is very neutral. I feel like it's a really pretty way to bring in color because infants, newborns, kids, they need bright colors for stimulation. And it comes with little mittens so they can like look at their hands, you know? Discover their hands. Also really excited, I got this Elvie pump. So excited. This is the hands-free breast pump that goes in your bra. It's quiet, it's silent actually, nobody will hear a thing. I obviously have no idea how well it works because I'm not breastfeeding yet, but I will keep you posted on Instagram for sure. One of you guys actually sent me a huge thing of water wipes, so thank you so much to Teresa. These I've heard are the best baby wipes, and I'm really excited to use them. They're called water wipes, and they're very pure. I also, my friend Jenna told me about Hello Bello diapers, so I signed up for a subscription, and you can get multiple sizes, and they have the cutest pattern. Like these ones are animals on skateboards made out of colored pencils. That's adorable. They're so little and so cute. His first little undies. Yeah, I know I'm weird. Okay. Now we can get to the clothes. Bring on his Patagonia fur jacket, honey. So one of my favorite onesie brands, it's called Kite Baby. I've heard they last really, really long. They wash really well, and they have the full zip, which every single mom tells me, full zip, middle, night changing, game changer. And then this other brand, Lulu. But what I love about these, they're also very soft. They come in really cute colors, like so many colors and so many patterns. But they are the gowns, sleeping gowns that tie on the bottom. And then they have these little tuck things for their little hands so they don't scratch themselves. And like I said, my dresser's not here yet and it's such a bummer, but that's okay. I went ahead and got these storage bins on Amazon. I have all of his clothes by size. I washed them all. And when his dresser comes in, I already checked to make sure that this will fit in the dresser. Very important to do. Oh, you guys wanna see this? This is his newborn basket. This is his Christmas outfit. It's very cute. He probably won't even fit it by the time Christmas is here because he'll be a month old, but I bought this. It was like the first thing I bought when I found out I was pregnant. Beyond that, I got this adorable jacket. Oh, Pip and Lenny. It was one of the things I bought right when quarantine happened. And then one of our really great friends got us a little Patagonia. And look, it has little ears. He's gonna look like Scout. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? And I love that it's a neutral color because I can use this with any child. Because Patagonia is like, you know, it's not an inexpensive brand. It's kind of pricey. But a little girl could wear this, a little boy could wear this. We can hand this down to all the kiddos. Because you know I want 5 kids. Does that conclude our tour? Maybe leave a comment if you're into this. Maybe I'll probably just do more on Instagram. We're not gonna do a ton of baby videos on here, but I felt like y'all needed an update on the nursery and the fact that it was kind of like not ready yet. And I thought I'd show you some of my favorite little things that are very decor friendly and aesthetically pleasing, but also really good for babies. Again, huge thanks to Newton Baby for sponsoring today's video. Again, the mattress, the breathable mattress, I'm very excited about. I really highly recommend it. If you guys do wanna try it out, try to use the code down below because you will get $50 off, you will get free shipping, and if you don't like the mattress, you do have 100 days to return. Definitely worth checking out and seeing if it's right for you and your family. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and oh, go follow on Instagram because I'll do more of this sort of thing over there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the Christmas videos too. You don't want to miss those. My mom came over to our house in Tulsa and she helped me decorate and it was so fun and it turned out beautiful and you're not going to want to miss it. Videos are on her channel and on my channel and it turned out great. Love you guys so much. I'll see you later. Bye. I'm sweating. When Tyler and I were first dating, on our first date, I told him that I wanted 5 kids. And if that scared him, then he should not go on a second date with me. Girl knows what she wants and might as well just get to the point. And I think he thought I was kidding. He's like this size, basically, just like this. He's just like this in there. No. You'll always be my first baby. Okay, good girl.